Hey authors, Grant here from Written Word Media. Today, we're diving into Amazon KDP free days. What they are, how to use them effectively, and how they can help you reach thousands of new readers. Before we get started, don't forget that Written Word Media is more than just your favorite YouTube channel. We have helped over 40,000 authors build their careers with our book promos. To learn more, just click in the description below and you'll see some helpful links. So, let's jump in. What are Amazon KDP free days? First off, let's talk about what Amazon KDP free days actually are. When you enroll your ebook in Amazon KDP Select, by the way, KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, you gain access to some very powerful promotional tools in exchange for offering your ebook exclusively through Amazon. These tools include Kindle Countdown deals and free days. Today, we'll be focusing on free days, where you can offer your book for free for up to 5 days in each 90-day enrollment period. If you'd like to learn more about Kindle Countdown deals, we'll link to a video in the description that goes into detail about the strategy and how it can help you sell more books. How to access free days. Accessing KDP free days is fairly straightforward. Once your book is enrolled in KDP Select, navigate to your bookshelf in the KDP dashboard. Here, you will select the Promote and Advertise button. This is next to your book. And then you'll just choose Free Book Promotion. From there, you can easily schedule your free promo to coincide with your marketing plan. Remember, you can use all 5 days at once, or you can split them up throughout the 90-day enrollment period. This flexibility allows you to tailor your promotions to suit your marketing strategy. Benefits of free days. Now, why would you want to give your book away for free? It might seem counterintuitive, but there are several key benefits to this strategy. Offering your book for free can significantly increase its visibility on Amazon. More downloads mean more potential reviews and word-of-mouth promotion. Plus, a higher number of downloads can boost your book's Amazon ranking, making it more discoverable even after the promotion ends. Lastly, free promotions are a fantastic way to build a reader base, especially if you have multiple books or a series. Free books are a great entry point for readers discovering an author for the first time. Once they read your work, they are more likely to remember your name and purchase your other books in the future. Using promos and promo stacks to maximize effectiveness. To maximize the effectiveness of your free days, it's essential to plan your promotion strategically. Here are some tips on using promos and promo stacks. First, plan your free days well in advance. You'll want to coordinate your free days with other marketing activities, like sending social media campaigns, newsletter blasts to your author email list, placements on free newsletters, and paid advertising. Promo stacking involves lining up multiple promotions to create a wave of visibility in a short period of time. For example, you could start with a paid advertising campaign on the first day. Follow it up with an email blast to your mailing list on day 2. Then you could post your social media on day 3. I think throughout that entire period, you should also list your book on free promo sites and newsletters. Services like FreeBooksy, Hello Books, The Fussy Librarian, and BookBub, just to name a few. By combining these different promotional strategies, you create multiple touch points for potential readers to discover your book. So, there you have it. Amazon KDP free days explained. By strategically using your free days, you can boost your book's visibility, gain new readers, and climb the Amazon ranks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget, sign up for our free author newsletter at writtenwordmedia.com for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.